Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best puzzle frame is probably one of the most rewarding ways to showcase your completed puzzles. These frames not only protect your hard work from dust and damage but also transform your puzzle into a stunning piece of art. In this video, we'll dive into the best 24 by 30 puzzle frames available, helping you find the perfect frame to display your masterpiece with pride and style. Number 5. American Flat 20 by 30 Black Poster Frame. This sleek black frame is designed to showcase your favorite photos or art. It adds a refined touch to any home or office. This frame is perfect for displaying your cherished moments. This timeless 20 by 30 frame is crafted from durable engineered wood. The polished plexiglass adds a pristine finish, making it stand out. It's a beautiful way to display your photos. The frame includes hanging hardware for both vertical and horizontal placement. This ensures quick and hassle-free installation on any wall. You can easily showcase your special moments. Say goodbye to boring walls with this gallery-style frame. It makes your photos, posters, or artwork look amazing. Its classic design adds a modern touch to any space. American Flat offers expertly crafted decor to protect your cherished moments. Thoughtfully packaged for safe delivery, it combines quality and design. Choose this frame to elevate any space. What we like? This frame's sleek black design and polished plexiglass will make your photos or art stand out. It is crafted from durable engineered wood, ensuring your memories are beautifully showcased. If you are looking for a frame that combines style and protection, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The frame had cardboard triangles on each corner, but inside the corners was a strip of styrofoam for added protection. And the frame came in a pretty durable box. The frame felt stiff and had some weight to it. It wasn't flimsy like I expected. Then all the 45 degrees corners matched up nice and tight without any gaps. The rear of the frame had the wall holders ready to hang either vertical or horizontal. It was easy to open the back by turning all the latches to the side and pop of the rear cover. Then remove the protective film on both sides of the plexiglass and pop your picture in. Number 4. 24 by 30 Picture Frame 1.25 Black MDF. This beautiful frame is perfect for your cherished memories. It's the ideal size to showcase your favorite photos or artwork. The frame is constructed with a strong MDF frame. This ensures durability and a sleek, modern look. It features plexiglass, which is a safer and clearer alternative to traditional glass. It protects your photos from dust and damage. The frame comes with all the necessary hanging hardware. This makes it easy to display your pictures right away. This frame is proudly made in the USA. You can be assured of its quality and craftsmanship. It has a clear peel-off film protector on both sides. This prevents scratching during handling and shipping. With the included hardware, it's incredibly easy to hang. You'll have your pictures on display in no time. What we like? This frame is proudly made in the USA, ensuring quality and craftsmanship. The strong MDF frame and included hanging hardware make it easy to display your artwork. If you value products made with care and durability, you should consider this one. What people say. They have sizes I can't find elsewhere and their measurements are spot on, no close enough. Easy to unpack, easy instructions on how to mount your creation, how to add the hanger, included, and they even included the wall hanger so this could immediately go up on the wall. The frame creates a little overlap, so even though I thought it might be a smidge too big, it fits perfectly. Number 3. Picture Frame Factory Outlet 24 by 30 Puzzle Frame. This frame is designed to beautifully showcase and protect your cherished puzzles and artwork. With its elegant design, it adds a touch of sophistication to any space. It's perfect for preserving your most treasured pieces. Crafted from durable engineered wood, this frame is built to last. It's an ideal choice for displaying puzzles, artwork, or posters, adding a modern touch to any setting. This frame is a great way to showcase your meaningful creations. Designed for easy wall mounting, this frame includes all the necessary hardware. It's a stylish and convenient solution for decorating your space with your favorite artwork. This makes it simple to display your art. A protective layer of plexiglass keeps your artwork in pristine condition. The plexiglass also has a peel-off film to prevent scratches. This ensures your art stays safe. The frame's lightweight design makes it easy to move and rearrange. Its simple, stylish design complements any home decor style. This allows you to change your decor easily. What we like. This frame is specifically designed for puzzles and artwork, offering both elegance and protection. The protective plexiglass keeps your creations in pristine condition. If you have a cherished puzzle or artwork you want to display, this frame is an ideal choice. What people say. I like that this frame is meant for puzzles and it has enough room in the frame to support puzzle material. The frame is perfect for the puzzle size. Make sure you measure or have measurements of the puzzle you are framing. Also, gluing the puzzle first is a huge help with getting it in and settled in the frame. What's great about this new frame is that not only is it more sturdier, but also comes with a wire hang which makes it hold up much better and feels more solid. Sturdy, quality made and beautiful. Comes with hanging hardware, 2 side hooks and a nice length or plastic covered hanging wire. The joints are solidly joined. The puzzle is 24 x 30, fits perfectly. Number 2. MCS Trendsetter 24 by 30 Black Poster Frame. Looking for a stylish way to showcase your art? This frame offers a contemporary design with a sleek black finish. It's perfect for displaying your favorite posters and photos. This frame measures 25 by 31 inches and is designed to hold a 24 by 30 inch poster. It's the ideal size for your artwork, puzzles, or pictures. The frame features a backloading design with a clear styrene front. This protects your artwork from damage, and the lightweight backing makes it easy to swap out your prints. With attached hinged hangers, hanging this frame is a breeze. You can easily display it vertically or horizontally, depending on your needs. MCS delivers products that help make your house a home. This frame is perfect for any living room, bedroom, or home office. It's a great way to showcase your style. What we like. This frame offers a modern and functional design, perfect for contemporary displays. The clear styrene front protects your artwork, and it's easy to use. If you like a sleek and versatile frame for your posters or art prints, this is the one for you. What people say. The black frame looks very nice and the plexiglass viewing area showed no scratches or other damage once I pulled the plastic wrap from it. The frame is sturdy but not too heavy. The backing secured the poster very well. The cover on it is very strong compared to the garbage ones I found. It was easy to get it set up with the artwork. The frame makes the print look 100% better. It came very well packaged. Number 1. Craig Frames 23247812 24 x 30 inch white frame. This frame, with its smooth white finish, is perfect for showcasing your favorite photos or artwork. It adds a touch of contemporary style to any space. The frame comes with everything you need: clear acrylic facing, a sturdy backing, and hanging hardware. Some assembly is required, but it's straightforward. Designed to hold a 24 by 30 inch print, this frame will beautifully display your chosen piece. The viewable area is slightly smaller, ensuring a secure fit. Made with a 1-inch wide wood composite molding, this frame offers both style and durability. It's built to last and enhance your artwork. This frame is designed for wall hanging only, and the included hardware allows for both portrait and landscape orientations. It's simple to install and ready to display. What we like. This frame features a contemporary style with a smooth white finish, adding a touch of elegance to any space. It includes clear acrylic facing and easy-to-use hanging hardware. If you like a clean, modern look for your photos or prints, you should consider this one. What people say. The frame is exactly what I needed for my 24 by 30 puzzle. It was easy to assemble and the finished product looks great. The frame is sturdy and well made. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.